Hi and welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy that you're here. Today I'm going to be teaching you some basic bar moves that you'll see in my longer classes online. I'm going to be using the booty kicker. If you don't have a bar, you can go ahead and use a wall or a chair, anything that you can balance with. All right, so let's get to it. We're going to begin with one hand on the bar, one hand on your hip. Bringing your feet close together, I want you to just pop your heels. So come on the balls of your feet. Heels are elevated, inner thighs are squeezing towards one another, abs are pulled in and up, shoulders rolled back and down. Just begin to give me a little pulse. So you're going to go down an inch and up an inch, down an inch, up an inch. This is just your basic parallel thigh pulse. I'm going to turn to the side so you can see what it looks like from the side view. Notice the alignment. My shoulders are over my hips, are over my heels. Nice long spine. Relax your shoulders, relax your eyebrows, and you should start to feel engagement in your quadriceps, front of your thighs, in your calves, keeping your ribs hugging in. Okay, so that's parallel thighs. Now we're going to go into narrow V, where the placement of your feet is a little bit different. So you're going to separate your toes just about 3 inches. Then go ahead and pop your heels. So heels are connected, they're glued together. Thighs look like a diamond shape here. You want to bring yourself down nice and low without rounding your spine or arcing your spine. Knees are tracking over your second or third toe. And again, you're just going to give me a little pulse, down an inch and up an inch. Creating engagement right in the front of your thighs here and your calves as well. So shoulders again are over hips, heels are pressing towards one another, and you're having a good time. Yes. So I'm going to show you the side view. As you can see, my back is flat, so it's as if I'm sliding down an imaginary wall. I don't have my hips back behind me, and I don't have my hips tracking in front like that. So neutral spine, pressing down and up. Okay? Perfect. So those are the two main ones that you'll see, basic to start with. I would recommend, if you can't elevate your heels, to just do them flat-footed. And you can start with those drills. You can start doing just a minute each. Try it daily, and you'll see that you'll build up the endurance. All right, if you enjoyed this video, please let me know in the comments. And if you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.